yeah, I just wanted to do like an updated twist and curl. I kind of wanted the look of a rod set, but I do not have the time, nor do I feel like sitting and putting perm rods in my head. Like, I just don't have the time to do it. So my hair is like 95% dry. I washed it, deconditioned it last night, so that's what I started off with. I put a leave-in in, and I put 2 leave-ins in. I put a spray leave-in in, and I put Cantu leave-in repair cream. So that's what I use for moisture. And I show you guys, I'm using the Lotta Body setting lotion and the Jackie's Don't Shrink gel because I wanted to have a nice hold, trying to get rid of the frizz. So without further ado, here we go. Hey guys, this is Jazz from the future. I apologize. I completely forgot to do an intro for this video. So my name is Jasmine. For anyone who is new here, thank you for clicking on this video. Currently, I'm doing videos for lifestyle, hair, and fashion. So if you like what you see, please stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. This section seems a little. I think I can make it a little bigger than that. Only because the front of my hair is not as texture is not as thick as the back of my hair. It's just not the way it grows. Alright. I'm gonna comb that through. Make sure our strands are coated. Alright. I'm gonna take the Jackie's. This is how much. It's a lot. What I want is to be very sleek. So okay, so here I'm just gonna repeat the process on the next 2 sections. So I'm gonna section it out, detangle it, apply a little of the texturizing setting lotion, and then apply some gel, twist it, flat twist it, and then apply the perm rod. So I'm just talking through this last one. So I'm just gonna put pump. I lost you guys for a second because I got a ghetto set up right now. I'm holding my phone up with chest rub, but I just wanted to share an impromptu video with you guys. So I'm gonna put the chest rub back on the phone because that's what's holding the phone in place. Because I didn't feel like setting up the tripod and all that other stuff. And my other small tripod broke. But so I just put the fat emulsion in it and I'm combing it through. So I apply a little less product in the front just because the porosity of my hair is a little different. But I think this is a good style if you want the look of a perm rod set without the time investment. And then if you can't flat twist, you can always just do a big jumbo twist and leave the end and then put a perm rod on. Or you can use a scrunchie, twist it, and then put the perm rod on the end. Leave a comment down below if you want to see the scrunchie method. I'll be happy to do a video for that too. Be back for the takedown and then I'll show you guys my final result. Okay guys, so here is what I think is the most important part of the whole hairstyle. When you take the twist out, you just have to remember to twist the hair around your finger in the direction of the curl. Like this sets it off. You put a little oil on your finger and you twist your hair around your finger in the direction of the curl. It minimizes frizz and it gives you like a uniform looking curl. So I probably should have zoomed in here, but hey, I was doing this last minute. I did get a little bit of white residue from the products that I use, so that's what you also see me doing. So I'm trying to pull some of the like white flakes off the ends of my hair. But yeah, the key to this hairstyle, or the key to any like perm rod set, any curls or whatever, is just making sure that you twirl the hair in the direction of the curl after you take it out. I'm telling you, it will minimize the amount of frizz that you experience. And throughout the whole time of you having the hairstyle, you can always just twist it around your finger, like put a little oil or a little product on your finger and twist your hair around your finger. It is a lifesaver. Okay guys, so this portion is the last portion of the tutorial. So what you're gonna see me doing is shaking and fluffing my hair. I'm gonna take the wide tooth comb and just stretch my roots a little bit. Stretching your roots gives your hair volume. I'm more concerned about definition than volume. So I just do a little light stretch, and then I am going to apply some oil to give my hair a little bit of shine. So here I'm just using some dry argan oil to spray on my hair. If you guys made it this far, leave a comment down below argan, and that way I'll know you guys watched the video all the way through. So this craziness that you see is me trying to shake some more of that white residue out, but I didn't get a chance to film an outro for this video. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you liked this video. And until next time, you guys enjoy your week. Bye.